All right, so we are going to finish this lesson. So it's 8.2 tangents. So do you remember what a tangent is? It's been a few days. Had a long weekend. So let's talk. What is that? Yeah, not in the circle. Hits 1 point on the circle, correct. So like this. Here's a line, right? Is that a tangent? Is that a tangent? Is that a tangent? Is that a tangent? No. When is it a tangent? Right there. Okay. So it hits at 1 point on the circle. Okay. This is the circle right here. Okay. This inside of here is not on the circle. That's what? In the circle. Interior. Right. What is it out here?
Exterior.
Exterior. Right. That's the exterior of the circle. Okay. This right here is actually on the circle. What do we call that point? This is the point of tangency. Point of tangency. This is all review. This is not new. Just to get us back in the swing of things a little bit. Okay. All right. So enough of that. Let's do this. Let's put a couple circles here. I'm going to make one a little bit smaller than the other one. Doesn't make any difference, to tell you the truth. But that's the way I'm going to do it. So what I want to do is I want to draw a tangent that is tangent to both of those circles. Okay, so the one line is tangent to both circles. So how would I do that? Like that? Is that going to work? Is that going to work? No, I'm going to have to change my angle a little bit, aren't I? All right, so I might have to adjust this a little bit. So if I did this, there we go. Now we're talking. So it's tangent to this and it's tangent to that. Okay. How many, listen, how many tangents can I draw? So how many lines can I draw that's tangent to both of those circles?
Two.
Two?
As many as you can.
So an infinite number? Is that what you're saying?
No.
Now how many tangents could I draw to just one circle?
1, 4, 2.
To one circle?
I don't know. 1.
I was asking that because of your last answer.
Infinite.
Yeah. There's an infinite number of tangents that I could draw just to one circle, right? Do you agree with that? So let's go back to this. Look, there's one, right? There's another one. There's another one. There's another one. How many times could I keep doing this?
Infinite array or
I could do this for as many points as there are on that circle. How many points are on a circle? An infinite number of points are on that circle, okay? So for one circle, there's an infinite number of tangents that I can draw. But I'm asking, how many tangents can you draw to both, that is tangent to both of those circles? It's not infinite. What is it? 4? Where'd you get 4? You don't know?
Yes, that doesn't count.
All right, I gotta angle this. Oh, come on, move, grab that thing. Where is it? Why can't I grab it? It looks like I'm grabbing it, but I'm not. There we go, finally. Okay, and then I can do this. Then I'd have to take this down a little bit. All right, there we go. There's another tangent. So I got what? How many so far? 2, because there's pointed tangency. There you go. You see it. Now, so now I could go like this, couldn't I? All right. So I could go to there. Again, I'd have to adjust this a little bit. It doesn't necessarily have to be the same point of tangency, though, does it? That's
Similar.
yeah, but it's not always. It just depends on how far away your circles are and that kind of thing. All right, so the point of tangency on that one is there, and that one is about right there. Close enough, not perfect, but you get the idea. Let's extend this one out a little bit. Okay, and where's the fourth one? Oops. Yeah, so it could be, depending on which way you're going, correct. All right, let's take this down a little bit. There you go. That's not too bad. So how many tangents can you draw to 2 circles? 4 of them, right. So there's 4. Is there any other way that I could draw a straight line that hits both of the circles just at one point? No, there's no other way. All right, so I'll tell you what, let's change the colors. Let's make these, I don't know, yellow. And let's make these another color. Let's make it red. All right, there we go. So the yellow ones right there, we have a specific name for those. Take a wild guess. They're what kind of tangents?
Yellow.
I'm going to sneeze here in a second. Hold on. I'm trying to stop it from sneezing. They're not yellow tangents. I mean, technically they are, but we give them a better name for that. They're the ones that are on the outside of both of these circles. Do you see that? So we're going to call these exterior. Very good. All right, so we're going to call these exterior tangents. So take a wild guess. Very good. The red ones, do you see how they go inside like this? They cross inside like that? All right, so those would be considered interior tangents. Interior. We don't really use that very often, but you never know when that comes up. It's nice to know. And also, they're called common tangents. All four of these are called common. Guys. Okay, they're called common tangents because they're common with two circles, right? It's tangent to this circle and it's also tangent to this circle. So those are all called common tangents. Everybody got it? Yeah. All right, there's a couple other ones, and then we're pretty much done. We're almost finished. If we just had a few more minutes last time, but that's okay. What about this situation? Put a circle right here. Let's make this one just a little bit bigger. Not like that. And then I'm going to copy and paste and make it smaller. It could be the same size. It doesn't have to be smaller. I'm just doing it because that's the way it looks here. Now watch this. I'm going to make it so this circle, what do you think?
Tangent.
So that circle, those two circles are tangent to each other, right? Okay, so those circles are tangent to each other. And where would that tangent be? Yeah, about right like that. Okay. Now tangents technically are lines. I'm just too lazy to put an arrow every single time I draw a tangent, but you get the idea, okay? Technically, the tangent keeps on going, all right? So there we go. And look, they share a point of tangency. Both of these circles share that point of tangency. So they are tangent to each other, okay? So this is also called externally tangent. Externally tangent. So what is it going to look like to be internally tangent? Tell you what, let's just copy this. And let's make it a different color. Like a blue. Okay. Now, what would it look like? Where would I put this to be internally tangent?
Inside of it.
Inside of it. Very good. Yeah, I can put it anywhere in here, right? But I'm gonna put it right there. Okay. So look at the point of tangency. It's right here. Okay, and look where that point of tangency lies. I didn't angle it very well, but you get the idea, right? Yeah, it's not too bad. All right, so these two circles are externally tangent because they are external to each other. They're on the outside of each other, right? Actually, they touch each other at one point, but look at this circle. This circle is what to the big circle? Okay, it's internal. Okay, it's inside of the other circle. So this would be what? Internally tangent. All right, so it's just a matter of knowing some vocab, because every once in a while they'll say something about two circles being internally tangent, two circles being externally tangent, and you just have to know the difference between each one. All right, that's really all that is. And that really is the end of that section, whatever that is. What is it, 8.2? Is that what I said it was? Yep. All right. We good? All right. What's your lesson plan say? 6 to 10, 25 to 30? Is that what it says?
7 to 10.
7 to 10? Is that what it says?
7 to 10, 25.
It says 6 to 10 on my notes, but I'll go 7 to 10 since I wrote that on your worksheet. So 7 to 10 and 25 to 30. Good try. All right, and it's section think this is the first homework I've given you on this, right? So it's just section 7, or not 7, it's 8. 8-2. All right. That's it. So that's your homework. It's due tomorrow. By the way, look at the lesson plans. What do you see? Yeah, quiz on Wednesday over 8-1 and 8-2. So the stuff that we... Why is everybody going crazy? So, listen. So on the quiz, it's 8-1 and 8-2. So the stuff that we did today and the stuff we did Thursday, that will be included. So anything circle-wise that we've talked about in this chapter will be on the quiz on Wednesday. Everybody got it? We might do a brief review. It says to do a review. I may actually start teaching the next lesson tomorrow. I don't think we need a whole class to just go over homework and do a review. All right, but I'll do a little review for you. So I might start teaching 8-3 tomorrow, just as a heads up. Everybody good? All right.